Hey wet shaving fans, this is Mike Gilman, founder of the Grooming Lounge, and question we get all the time in our stores and online is what is our most popular brand of safety or straight razors, and what are the best razors within that category, or the top selling razors within that category. So I just wanted to take a quick minute to go over the top 5 razors from our top selling safety razor brand, which is Merkur, tell you a little bit about each one, and then you can make the decision from there of which one works for you. First up is the 34C. This is the most popular one. It's short and stubby, kind of like our cameraman, but it's got a lot of benefits in that it enables you to get into the nooks and crannies of your beard or mustache or underneath your lip. And it also is very heavy, which is good for shaky hands. It helps to stabilize the razor. So that's the 34C, our most popular. Second is the 38C. It's a lot like the 34C, but obviously it's a longer razor, and guys tend to enjoy this razor a lot because it's the closest that you'll get to using a traditional cartridge razor like a Mach 3 or so because of the long handle. So guys who are just starting out feel very comfortable with this kind of razor. It's also very heavy, so it helps stabilize your hands, and it's a very good looking razor. People like to see the look of this on their bathroom shelf or in their cabinet. The third is the 37C, which is also called the slant razor. This is for the real shaving or wet shaving pros. It's a super aggressive razor in that it can get you probably the closest shave possible out of all the Merkur razors that we carry. And so if you're a veteran wet shaver, this is a great one for you to try. Next up is the 700 from the Future series from Merkur. This is the most modern of the blades or razors from Merkur, and the big benefit to this is that it enables you to be able to dial open or close from 1 to 6 the blade. So 1 would be for beginners in that it covers the blade and makes it easiest for you to shave with the least chance of nicks or cut. 6 opens it a large amount and gives you the most razor coverage. So for veterans, that would be the way to go. But this is from beginners to pros. This is a great new razor, and it's also super heavy and obviously a very good looking razor, unlike our cameraman. Last but not least from Merkur, this is the 907 detailing razor. So if you have a mustache, goatee, or a beard that you like to carve out specific kind of shapes or just be real accurate with it, this is the way to go. As you can see, it's super small. It's got a little wedge shape in there, so it allows you to get into those nooks and crannies and create any shape or carve out any corners of your beard, mustache, or goatee that you like. So that's the lineup. Got a lot of Merkur safety razors here. They're all terrific. Check around and find out which one is for you. Thanks for watching.